Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to online classes. Our new chapter is perimeter and area. Then, what is perimeter? Perimeter means the total length of the boundary of a polygon. Total length of the boundary of a polygon is called perimeter. Definition is given here. The length of the boundary of a plane figure is called its perimeter. Here one rectangle is given. Its length and breadth is also given. The perimeter of the rectangle is sum of all its sides. Total length of the boundary means sum of all its sides. Then AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is the perimeter of the rectangle. That is 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. 6 meter is the perimeter of this rectangle. Here one square is given. The square, the squares. In square all sides are equal. Then the perimeter of this square equal to AD plus DC plus CB plus BA. Then 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 16 centimeter is the perimeter of this square. That is perimeter of a square equal to side plus side plus side. That is 4 times side, that 4 into side. That is 4 into side. 4 into length is the perimeter of a square. Again, one rectangle is given here. ADCB. Then its length is 8 and breadth is 4. That is 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4 is the sum of its boundary. Then answer is 24. But in another method, length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, length plus breadth, length plus breadth, length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, that is 2 times length and 2 times the breadth, that is 2 length and 2 breadth. Then here 2 is common, we take out 2, 2 into length plus breadth, that is the area perimeter of the rectangle equal to 2 into length plus L plus B. L means length and B means breadth. Another figure, it is a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle equal to sum of its all sides. That is, it has 3 sides. AB plus BC plus CD is the CA is the perimeter of the triangle. Next, this figure is not a rectangle or triangle, square. Then it is a composite figure. Then perimeter of this figure equal to, we give one name to this figure A, B, C, D, E, F. Then first we add AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus AF is the perimeter of this compound figure. Now we go through the exercise. Find the perimeter of each of the given plots of land. Some lands figures are given here. Find the perimeter. First figure is in triangle form. So we add sum of these 3 sides. Then we will get the perimeter. 12 plus 9 plus 15 is the perimeter. And it one is a form of rectangle. Then rectangles opposite sides are equal. Then this one is 20. Then this one is also 20. This one is 10 and this side is also 10. That is 20 plus 10 plus 20 plus 10 is the perimeter of this rectangle. In square, all sides are equal. Then 8 plus 8, then this side is also 8 plus 8. Then 4 8s are 32 is the answer. The next question, the length of each side of the grid is 1 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the figures given below. Here, one grid is 1 centimeter. Then you will count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 centimeter is in this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter is this side. Then 4, 5 plus 4 plus 5. That is 4 plus 4, 8, 5 plus 5, 10, and 18 is the perimeter. Then also, next figure also, you can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then again, you can count this side. Then you will get the one grid is, that is one row is, one column is, the one square is 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can count and write the answer here. Next is the compound figures. Find the perimeter of these figures. Then all measurements are given here. You can count the, add this side. Then you can find the perimeter. First you start from here. Then this side is 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. You will get the answer. Then the same as here. All sides are given here. Then you can add these sides. Then first side is start from here and end also comes to here. 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 is the perimeter. The next question is also the same. Find the length of the missing sides of each figures. The perimeter of each figure is written inside it. That is, sum of 3 sides is 30. 2 sides are given. You will find the third side. That is, sum of 3 sides equal to 30. 2 sides are given. Then 30 minus 10 plus 11. 10 plus 11 is 21. 21 is minus from 30. Again, then next, one quadrilateral is given. 28 centimeter is the perimeter. Sum of 4 sides equal to 28. 3 sides are given. Then first you add these 3 sides. 9 plus 8 plus 4. Then you can minus from the 28. The next figure is also the quadrilateral. 49 is the perimeter. Then 3 sides are given. 7 plus 28 plus 7. That is 28 plus, that is equal to 42 is the sum of 3 sides. Then third side equal to 49 minus 42. You will get the answer. Next question. Tina wants to put lace on a piece of cloth 50 centimeter in length and 25 centimeter in width, that is breadth. How much lace will she need to put around it? Tina wants to put lace on a piece of cloth. The measurement of the cloth is given 50 centimeter length and 25 centimeter breadth. Then how much lace she need? That is, the length of the lace means the perimeter of this cloth, that is in the shape of rectangle. That is, the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to the length of the lace. Next question. Find the perimeter of a triangular park of sides 2 meter, 1 meter and 3 meter. One park is in the shape of triangle. Then 3 sides are given. Then a perimeter of the triangle equal to sum of 3 sides. Then 2 plus 1 plus 3